In this animal cell 3D model, we created the base by gathering used carton boards and then wrapping them with colored paper. After that, we use an illustration board as the base for the description of each part of the animal cell. We use tissues, plastics, yarns, and colored paper for the different parts of the animal cell. Lastly, we made another batch of those parts, placed them inside the animal cell, and then wrapped the entire model with another Japanese paper to make it look colorful. After that, our 3D model was finally finished.